removing lice from head with this simple, safe and natural remedy. Try it already. Head lice are small, wingless insects, and lice in human hair and feed on blood-sucking from the scalp. They usually occur in children of school, boys and girls, but girls are more prone to these parasites. Although they are not dangerous, in a single bite that causes itching and scalp becomes inflamed. This can lead to irritation and infection. There are numerous lice shampoos and similar products in the market, which tend to be inefficient and expensive. Sometimes they can be very expensive. Many parents use various treatments and spend hours combing hair and checking their children, and at some point realize that everything is useless and try to find some other way to finally get rid of these pesky parasites. Fortunately, there are a healthier alternative that can help eliminate lice from your hair, children. Ingredients: Listerine mouthwash, you can use another brand. Lice comb. White vinegar. Shampoo. A couple of towels. Shower cup or plastic bags. Instructions. 1. Apply Listerine in your child's hair until the hair is completely wet. 2. Once the hair is completely wet, collect hair and wrap with a plastic bag or put a shower cap on it. 3. Leave it for an hour. Use a couple of grocery bags to keep moisture and put a towel around his shoulders. 4. Be sure to create an airtight seal around the scalp for lice to stay in. 5. Remove the bags after an hour. You will find a number of dead lice bags. 6. Wash your hair and then apply white vinegar on your hair. Put the bags again and leave for an hour. 7. After about 1 hour, remove the bags. Wash vinegar and use the shampoo as you usually do normally. 8. Finally, comb your hair with a lice comb. The strong smell of Listerine will keep them away. Lice cannot stand the smell of spearmint and therefore go. You can add some Listerine in a spray bottle and apply it on your child's hair before going to school. The whole treatment lasts a couple of hours. However, it is much better option than using commercial products against lice that are full of chemicals that enter the bloodstream of the child. This treatment has several advantages over against commercial products commonly used lice. 1. It is safe and without side effects. 2. Provides long-term results. After treatment, lice are unlikely to appear again. 3. It is cheap, it costs nothing but a few dollars. 4. Only a couple of spritzes mixed with water spearmint keep lice away. 5. Provides complete protection. 6. The child's hair is smooth and shiny, and smell very good.